Hey guys, I have a Simplicity 560 snow thrower and I can't get a spark. So I took it apart. I took the flywheel off. I just used the electric wrench there that I used to take my tires off. I used that to take the nut off, and then you have this little lock pin right here, but it wasn't very hard to get it off. I just pried it off. I used what I had. I put this under the flywheel and I pushed it out and it came right off. I just sprayed it with some anti-rust spray beforehand, and then I'm looking at the coil here, but I don't really know what's wrong with it. Maybe this little thing here is the condenser. Maybe that's shot. Maybe it's the coil itself. There's two cables coming out of the coil here at the top side, and they go over to the kill cable over here. And then of course there's the main lead going in under here. It's right under here, where the high voltage current or high voltage comes to the spark plug. So I'll just work some more on this, see if it helps. All right, bye-bye.